Let us take a cue card topic that says describe a speech that you gave, and here I am going to help you to prepare the answer of this topic. You can take the topic of waking up early, and this is how you can start your answer. I love giving speeches. I feel extremely privileged that the school I graduated from, they always encouraged us to come on stage, to express ourselves, to groom our personality. I am reminding here about an occasion when our class teacher gave us the opportunity on a great Saturday morning, come on stage and share your views on any of your favorite topics. I got my turn and I thought I should come on the stage and talk about the topic of waking up early. And fortunately, I have been waking up early since age 13, and I had a huge and a long experience of waking up early in the morning and starting my day before everyone else. So I came on stage, I gave an introduction, I told my audience about how can you develop the habit of waking up early, what are the benefits of waking up early, or early rising, we can call early rising as well. And I shared my personal story as well, I was a lazy person in the beginning, and I was achieving very little in my life because I was starting my day a bit late. And then something happened. I read a book by Robin Sharma. The name of the book was 5 a.m. Club. In that book, it was scientifically told how can you develop the habit of early waking and what are the benefits that you can take lifetime if you develop this habit. So when I gave this talk to my friends, everyone rejoiced in it, everyone was delighted. Few of my classmates asked questions in the end also, and confidently I answered all of them. My teacher also appreciated me at the end, and this was the talk that I gave when I was in my senior secondary. It really boosted my confidence. This experience told me that I can come on stage, I can speak to people, I can talk on any kind of topic, and I can really feel I have contributed to increase the knowledge of people with my knowledge on that topic. So all in all, I would sum up by saying in the end that yes, I got the opportunity to give a talk in my class, and the topic of that talk was waking up early, and I literally enjoyed that experience. It helped me in multiple ways, it increased my confidence, it gave me the courage to embark my career in the field of public speaking, and I would highly appreciate if I get such opportunities in future as well.